students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes nouns or pronouns. Examples: a big tree, a beautiful girl, a clever man, each question, this map, which shirt, 20 children, a blue bag, your house. Adjective हमेशा क्या करता है? Noun या pronoun को describe करता है. The italicized words in the above examples are adjectives. Position of adjectives: most adjectives come before the noun they qualify. Example: a tall girl, a pirated CD, an honest person, a diligent teacher. However, sometimes adjectives follow nouns. Examples: the house is big, the food is tasty, I'm feeling comfortable now, your brother is active. Adjectives can particularly follow some verbs such as be, get, see, appear, feel, sound, smell, etc. Examples: I am strong, it's getting hotter, Suhana looks smart, the spray smells good. Now we have the formation of adjectives. Some adjectives occur independently, for example, a rich man, a red rose, and some adjectives are formed from nouns: glory, glorious, beauty, beautiful. From verbs: love, lovable, talk, talkative. From other adjectives: red, reddish, black, blackish. Then we add certain suffixes. Here are some common suffixes used to form adjectives and the adjectives formed: able, advise, advisable, honor, honorable, read, readable, favor, favorable, wash, washable, memory, memorable, comfort, comfortable, value, valuable. Then we add al, accident, accidental, crime, criminal, empire, empirical, logic, logical, essence, essential, center, central, economy, economical, face, facial, herb, herbal, habit, habitual. Then we add ar as suffixes: angle, angular, table, tabular, circle, circular, muscle, muscular. Then we add ful, full, beauty, beautiful, duty, dutiful, harm, harmful, peace, peaceful, hand, handful, thought, thoughtful, cheer, cheerful, faith, faithful, mercy, merciful, respect, respectful, use, useful, and tear, tearful. Then we add I, see, angel, angelic, atmosphere, atmospheric, hero, heroic, poet, poetic, science, scientific, sympathy, sympathetic. Then we add ish, book, bookish, child, childish, fever, feverish, boy, boyish, rogue, roguish, and fool, foolish. Then ive, express, expressive, talk, talkative. Less, arm, armless, care, careless, harm, harmless, limit, limitless, name, nameless, faith, faithless, friend, friendless, sleeve, sleeveless, law, lawless, use, useless. Like, child, childlike, life, lifelike. Ly, brother, brotherly, day, daily, hour, hourly, love, lovely, one, only, week, weekly, live, lively. Coward, cowardly, friend, friendly, king, kingly, man, manly, month, monthly, scholar, scholarly, woman, womanly. Then we add ous, adventure, adventurous, danger, dangerous, glory, glorious, contempt, contemptuous, flame, fame, famous, industry, industrious. Then we add some, some, quarrel, quarrelsome, tire, tiresome, trouble, troublesome. Then we add y, anger, angry, case, ease, easy, flower, flowery, hand, handy, heart, hearty, hunger, hungry, haste, hasty, storm, stormy. Need, needy, stone, stony, sun, sunny, thirst, thirsty, worth, worthy, wind, windy, gloom, gloomy, fault, faulty. Miscellaneous: affection, affectionate, caste, east, eastern, France, French, west and western. Assessment zone: from adjectives from the following words by adding suitable suffixes to them. For example, आपका affection given है, so we can add affectionate. Then we have similes. A simile is a group of words used to compare one thing to another on the basis of some point of similarity using the word as or like. तो as और like को use करते हुए हम एक group of words में similarity establish करते हैं, जिसे बोलते हैं simile. Here are some commonly used similes: as angry as a mob, as black as coal, as brave as a lion, as bold as brass, as blind as a bat, as busy as a bee, as beautiful as a fairy, as clear as a crystal, as cunning as a fox, as cold as ice, as cool as cucumber, as wise as an owl, as deep as a well, as dirty as a pig, as dumb as a statue, as ferocious as a tiger, as fit as a fiddle, as fast as hair, as faithful as a dog, as gentle as a lamb, as good as gold, as green as a grass, as greedy as a wolf, as hard as a nail, stone or rock, as heavy as lead, as hot as fire, as innocent as a lamb, and as industrious as an ant, as light as a feather, as pale as death, as playful as a kitten, as proud as a peacock, as pointed as a needle, as quiet as a mouse, as red as a rose, as slowly as a snail, as smooth as velvet, as sweet as honey or sugar, as soft as silk और as white as snow. तो यहाँ पर आप कुछ भी चीज़ों को कंपेयर करते हो विद सर्टेन अदर थिंग्स एंड दिस इज नोन एज सिमिली. इसमें एज या लाइक दोनों का यूज किया जा सकता है. नाउ असेसमेंट जोन. Match the group of words in the box A in the words in the box B and write the similes formed. As hard as a nail. Now degrees of comparison. Each adjective has 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. The positive degree is the simplest form of an adjective. It is used when no comparison is made. जब कोई भी टाइप का comparison नहीं होता है तब आपकी simplest form of positive degree use करी जाती है. जैसे example है Hunar is tall. The comparative degree is used to compare two things or persons. We use than with the comparative degree of an adjective. Example, Shivi is taller than Hunar. दो चीज़ों में जब comparison होता है तो THAN than का use किया जाता है. And then the superlative degree of comparison is used to say that a person or thing has a quality to the highest degree among 3 or more persons or things. अब superlative में आपका सबसे ज्यादा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री दे दी जाती है. 3 4 5 6 चीजें होंगी, उसमें से एक को बिल्कुल सुपीरियर डिग्री का बता दिया जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल, रामन इज द टॉलेस्ट बॉय इन द क्लास. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन. We form the comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives by adding R and ST respectively to the adjectives ending in E. Now we have positive, comparative and superlative degrees of one word. Wise, wiser, wisest. Large, larger, largest. Close, closer, closest. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे पॉजिटिव डिग्री में कोई एंडिंग नहीं होती है. कंपैरेटिव में आपका ज्यादातर ER एंडिंग होती है, सुपरलेटिव में ST एंडिंग होती है. Rude, ruder, rudest. Wide, wider, widest. Simple, simpler, simplest. And then by doubling the last consonant and then adding ER and EST. Fat, fatter, fattest. इसमें आपने लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल कर दिया, FAT होता है, उसमें एक और T डाल दिया, ER कर दिया, उसके एंड में आपने EST लगा दिया सुपरलेटिव के लिए. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Big, bigger, biggest. By adding ER and EST to the adjectives having only one syllable, जिसमें सिर्फ एक syllable होता है, उसमें क्या करना है, लास्ट में वही ER और सुपरलेटिव के लिए EST लगा देंगे. High, higher, highest. Quiet, quieter, quietest. Near, nearer, nearest. Dear, dearer, dearest. Then by removing Y and adding IER and IEST to the adjectives with 2 syllables and ending in Y. Positive, comparative, superlative. Greedy, greedier, greediest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. जहाँ पे ending Y से होती है, Y हटा के IER comparative में और IEST superlative में. Busy, busier, busiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Noisy, noisier, noisiest. Happy, happier, happiest. By adding more and most before the positive degree of most of the adjectives having 2 or more syllables. 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा syllables हैं तो comparative में more लगा देंगे और superlative में most लगा देंगे. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Harmful, more harmful, most harmful. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Then some adjectives do not form their degrees of comparison from the root words. They have irregular comparative and superlative forms. Then इसमें आपको कुछ एंडिंग नहीं होती है, वर्ड ही आपका चेंज हो जाता है. बैड, कंपैरिजन में आपका, कंपैरेटिव में आपका वर्स और सुपरलेटिव में वर्स्ट. देन गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. मच और मेनी, मोर और मोस्ट. लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट. फार, फार्दर और फर्दर या फिर फारदेस्ट या फिर फर्देस्ट. Now use of elder, eldest, older, oldest. Elder and eldest are used only for persons, not for animals or things. Moreover, they are used only for the members of the same family and elder is never used followed by than. Wherever older and oldest are used for both persons and things. तो आपका elder और eldest इंसानों के लिए यूज होता है, वो भी सेम फैमिली के, एंड ओल्डर और ओल्डेस्ट आपका ह्यूमन बींग्स, पर्सन्स और थिंग्स किसी के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है. Example, Aryan is my elder brother, Kavya is your eldest daughter, he is older than his sister, this is the oldest temple in the city, Sachin is the oldest boy in the class. Now assessment zone, fill in the blanks with the missing degrees of comparison, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Insert appropriate positive, comparative or superlative degree of comparison of the adjectives given in the brackets. The pen is dash than that, the pen is costlier than that. Correct the error of degree of comparison and rewrite the sentences. He is the eldest member of the library. He, यहाँ पे आपका eldest नहीं होगा, oldest आएगा क्योंकि किसी family की बात हो नहीं रही है. So he is the oldest member of the library. So students, with this we are done with this chapter also. Constantly revise the entire chapter properly. Read the entire chapter thoroughly and rest of the exercise questions. Please do it yourselves.